Hey folks, today we're going to be making laser cut LED acrylic signs. When you laser engrave acrylic, it changes the way that the light diffuses. You can see it in the sign here. For my design, I took a simple rectangle and put a circle onto the end of it, and then made a cutout for the other piece so that it could stand on its own. Then I put a slot for the circuit elements. All I used was a button battery and a simple LED. The second piece is just a rectangle with another rectangular cutout. After I had all my pieces cut out, I assembled the two and hot glued them together. My engraving is just a simple engraving of the Flux logo, but it could be whatever you want. What will you put on your sign?